How to stop Pinterest notifications on Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then click on settings. Here, you want to click on notifications from the account information section, and once you're here, click on the second option that says by email, in which you will be able to pick turn on or turn off the notifications that you get on your email. And how you can turn them off is simply you can just deselect the notifications that you want to not receive on your email, or you can click on the button at the top that says turn off all and click on the confirmation turn off to disable all the notifications that you will get on your Gmail from Pinterest. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off and disable the Gmail notifications of Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.